Bulbo built its largest demolition machine. The AC-750E has been launched and its power is truly visible. This 110-ton heavy Burkham high ridge is worthy. The excavator went south, 125 on one side of 18 acres of land. Did you dive into Hossein by knocking down a foot-high chimney? The demolition group was so powerful that it had to break and turns concrete into dust in a few minutes. The last Bulbo. The special safety cap can tilt up to 30 degrees, allowing the operator gets the best view of everything while working at height. Surprisingly, it took him only 30 minutes to clean the entire chimney. I changed it to Mill B,